Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Marble Flooring Jitendra Sharma. In this video I'm going to show you how to find hidden cracks in Italian marble. So pour some water on the Italian marble and start spreading it. 99% of the Italian marble comes cracked, so I'm going to show you how to find the cracks in the marble and then how to solve this problem, how to close the cracks. So guys, after finishing pouring water you have to spread the water as you can see in the video. Spread the water very nicely and slowly. Now I have spread the water very properly and very correctly in the video. So guys, after you're done spreading the water, clean the water and now carry the slab. After you carry, you can see the behind water. You can see there's water behind the slab. And if you want to see the cracks clearly, you have to apply black cement on it. Now I'm going to apply black cement on it. After you apply black cement, you can clearly see the cracks. And to overcome the cracks, you have to give the polish of epoxy. So guys, if you polish this Italian marble with epoxy, you can close all the cracks. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If I helped you in this video, don't forget to like this video and give a subscribe to my channel.